Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be using the LaRoc Artistry book palette. First color is Cake Batter. I'm blending this with a fluffy brush all over the crease. This is a transition color. I'm picking up a little bit more. Tap it off. Also the lower lash line. The second color is Chai, to make it a little bit more darker. Now I'm blending everything together. Just to dust it off. Frizzy Grape is going on the center of my eyelid. I'm going to use Pegasus as a base for my glitter eyeshadow. I'm dusting everything off. Now I'm applying the purple pink glitter shade on top of it. And the copper glitter shade. I'm only tapping it on the center of my eyelid. Now I'm highlighting the inner corner and brow bone with Casino. I will apply Flamingo on the lower lash line. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye!